So in this video I'm just going to tell you that how to change your birthday on the Facebook. If you was set your birthday wrong and you remember the right one and you want to change it or however, so that's very easy and simple to do. Let's begin, and first of all open up Facebook and then just click on this menu and click on this gear to open up settings and privacy, and go to account center and click on personal details and click on birthday, and then just you can see the option of edit over there. Just click on it and here you can simply edit your birthday. So there is also like a shortcut way in which you can edit your birthday. Just come back and here in the option of settings and privacy, just click on this search bar and here search for the birthday. Here on the very top you will get the option of birthday. Just click on this option. So like in this way you can also edit your birthday. I hope it helps you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial just leave me a comment below and I'll be catching you on the next video, and if you don't just like and subscribe. Thanks guys.